Alright. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a bumper light on a 2017 Audi Q7. This light. Seems pretty simple. You're going to have to remove this cover, and there's a bolt over there. I will show you simply on a new light. Here's the new light. And here's your hidden bolt right there. So you can see this bolt, it's in the angle. So if you look at this way, here's the bolt right there. So let's go remove this and see how it comes out. So I'm changing the left side like a bumper light. So here's your bolt right there. You gotta literally look into there. See the red thing? Right there. You take this bolt out and the light comes out this way. You pull it out and disconnect the wire. It's pretty simple. German engineering. Voila. Need is an extension and a Torx number 27. Actually 25. Torx 25. Or a screwdriver Torx, whichever you got, but this is pretty much what it needs. It goes in quite far. Put your hand over here, and then you basically push it out this way. That's how it comes out, and this just slides out. Here. And you gotta disconnect this part. You gotta put a flat screwdriver from here, and just pry it inside. You gotta put something here on this side and just pry it up right here, and it will disconnect. Look up, that's it. And the same thing here. On this side. Try not to break it.